Okay, I'd like you to meet Melanie, who has the most infectious laughter. Hi guys, we're here again with Dahlia, and today we're going to make something that's really very Filipino and perfect with beer. Okay, it's made from pork intestines and it's called chicharon bulaklak. Okay, so here are the pork intestines that we got at the market today, and first it was boiled, correct? It was boiled, and then now it's being cut up into little pieces, after which we're going to add some salt and pepper, and then later on deep fried. So it's really good stuff, and I'll show you later on as we continue to prepare this. It's really good, as you can see. Okay, so remember the intestines? Aside from what we did earlier, we need to sun dry it, and that's what we're doing now. As you can see, it's being sun dried, and it's smelling good already. Now once we've sun dried that, we go back to the kitchen, and then maybe we can try to fry a few, right? You know, this is really good stuff. It's really good with beer. Okay, we're back here in the kitchen with Dahlia. Say hi, Dahlia.
Hello.
And Melanie.
Hi.
Okay. Now, okay, so this is already the sun-dried chicharon bulaklak, and we're heating up the oil. The oil has to be really hot so that it becomes really nice and crispy. So in a little while we're going to drop a few in, and then let's give it a try. Okay, as you can see, the oil's really boiling. There are a few pieces inside already, and okay, here we go. We're going to add some more. Go ahead. Okay. There we go. Like I said, this is a perfect companion for beer. Okay, wait, I'll move a little back because it looks like it's getting a bit scary. What do you think, Dal? Do you think this is going to be good?
Good, very good.
Oh, very good. So there we go. Okay, so deep fry, let's wait a little bit, and then later let's give it a try. Okay, I think it's ready to come out of the oil. There we go. Ooh, it looks so good. Yummy. Okay, so that's chicharon bulaklak. Okay, now from the oil, we need to, okay, there we go, drain all the oil, as much oil as we can from there, and we need to put it on paper napkins to drain even more oil so that it becomes nice and crisp. See, so that's what it looks like. Now, as you can see, our spicy vinegar is ready. There we go. Okay, so we leave it, so we leave it there for a while so that it drains the oil. Okay, so here we are. Now let's give it a try. Okay, like I said, this is called chicharon bulaklak. Bulaklak means flower. Okay, and let's give one a try. It's still a little hot, but what the hell? The hotter the better. Okay. So, dip it in the spicy vinegar, and let's try. Really good stuff. It's well, clear, it's crunchy, and it's really, really tasty. So, I love it. So, let's just around Bulaklak. You go to any drinking session of Filipinos, you'll most likely find some chicharon bulaklak on the table. Because it really goes perfect with beer. Okay. Let's give another one a try. Okay. Yeah.